Hey guys, I have a quick update on the Racerstar SIC or SIC. I have no idea how they pronounce these motors. First of all, the good news, they perform absolutely great. These are obviously high-end motors, so on par with all Emax or iFlight motors you could get. Really great. And to be honest, I don't notice huge differences between these motors anymore. They all perform stellar. This is a 2207 1888 kV motor. So on 6S, this has incredible power on this pretty light build here. This is one of my Gate Hunter racing builds. And yeah, overall, I can really recommend it in terms of flight performance and build quality, and also the looks are just stunning here with this kind of camouflage pattern or spotted, whatever it is. Looks cool. There's just one main downside here. And let me quickly get my macro lens out so I can show this to you closer. Alright, so looking at this motor up close, there's one thing you should know before you buy this, and this doesn't mean it's a bad motor, but it's just one thing I think where Racerstar maybe sacrificed the really great looks of this motor for some practicability. Just the general shape of this bell is very cylindrical, so it's pretty much flat on top. If we compare this here, I have another motor to compare this with this Amax, for example. This has a similar shape, but it's just kind of sloping down here, and this is to mainly, I suppose, leave room for props. And so I found it on my favorite racing prop, the T-Motor 5150. This causes an issue, and I hope you can see this here up close. The prop is just touching the bell, and there's pretty much roughly a millimeter of space here between the motor and the prop. So this is pretty much unusable with this prop, and it was kind of a bummer when I tried this, and if you didn't had to switch to another prop and couldn't use my favorite one. So although I found this specific prop not to fit, I have to admit that all the other ones I tried, like Azure, Gemfan, Dell prop, HQ V1S, they all didn't have any issues on this motor. So if you want to buy these motors, and I would recommend that because they are great and they look great, just be sure that if you fly high pitch prop, to take a look at them, see if they have a profile that could collide with these motors, and just be prepared to check this and consider this so you don't run into a bad surprise and end up with a pile of props that you can't use. Alright, I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.